Puppy? Hi guys, it's ahead of New Year. We're just going to a lakeside place, which I hope is going to be serene and pleasant. So it's New Year's Eve, and instead of partying or doing something else, we thought this will be a nice idea. So I'm gonna vlog a little bit and take you guys along. See you. So yeah, she's driving, and we are just heading there.
Function cost नहीं
రియల్ ట్రీ అనుకున్నావా? ఆహా, అవసరం లేదు, తీసుకున్నా చాలు. I got this dress made out of a sari. I picked up the sari from Shilparamam sometime back. It has a beautiful painting, which is actually in the pallu. So I added that in the front. I posted a reel explaining everything. Check that out. Then we picked up some traditional basic cakes from Iyengar Bakery. I love them, the sponge cake ones. And went to my in-laws' house. She made some aloo fry, which was yum. To see my mother-in-law and father-in-law. Their lane is so pleasant. Like, it's full of trees. Puppy. At least one dog likes you more than me.
More than you and psycho.
Affection. Hello, I'm just heading out with my friends. Actually, I've started a diet, so I'm trying not to eat out as much. But so I'm like eating a little bit and going wherever I'm going. So let's hope I keep up my diet. So anyway, I'm just heading out. I'll take you guys along. We're just going to a jewelry store, and then maybe hang out for some time. I'm wearing this cord from True Browns. I really like the color and all, but then it's like full sleeves, which is a little difficult in summer. It gets wrinkled easily. Otherwise, I love it. I'll show you the full outfit properly. So we got hungry and we stopped at Channapatnam for thali. Their thali is actually pretty decent. The brinjal curry and chutney, these were actually pretty good. I really like their kaju paneer pulao, which I've tried earlier. So when you're there next time, check it out. Then we headed to a jewelry store called Sri Mayuri Jewelers. So this is a silver-based jewelry store. So they have all of these beautiful jewelry, which kind of look like real diamond jewelry. The base is made out of silver, but you know how you can wear them for all these weddings. So they have a lot of beautiful varieties and beautiful designs. So the detailing is very beautifully done. They have different price ranges in these also. We kind of like these black beads. These are actually really nice for, like, simple outfits that you can just put on. So my friend tried on this in different colors. They're actually very beautiful. We saw some other pieces. I've tried a couple of others. These actually look quite nice for weddings or reception, sangeet kind of outfits. They go well with them. I got back home and we just started to a temple. I kept going to the temple with Yash and my parents. In the middle, basically, I stepped out of Kansu and I kind of fell forward, which is very strange because I don't know, I hit something and I fell very badly in the front. Thankfully, nothing happened. I just scraped my knees, which is very silly. Gullies ani, too much traffic, too many people parking. Brownie is waiting for us. Hi, Tista. Hello. Bella loves spending time with her mama. Anyway, we picked up our mama and headed to the temple. Puppy?
All dogs like my massage.
Temple నుంచి నడుచుకుంటూ వస్తూ we found a dog and yes, she's like Pilshi is petting the dog. సిగ్గుపడమేంటి పడుకుంది వాంట్స్ టు స్లీప్.
Then face on. Actually, it looks like human is measured by knowledge or memory. A timeline when there is when animals, including humans, have nerve endings in the brain, which is why everybody likes massage. It is just nerve endings.
చెవులు మొత్తం పిండస్. బెల్లా బెల్లా ఎక్కువ మీద దోమ ఉంది నాన్న. I ordered some dog biscuits from Amazon. Everybody loves them. So we go to Sharad City Mall. We wanted to check out some luggage and some other things. So we have to start packing actually, and a lot of other things to do before we go. So yeah, let's go to Sharad City Mall. I actually went to West Side at Sharad City Mall to pick up some nightwear, but they have a sale going on, so I just went and had a look. I don't know if I was too late for the sale or something, but there was nothing. Literally, everything looked so boring. These footwear looked pretty nice, although this collection has been there for a long time now. They're on discount, and these are nice for like office wear. So I got back and got packing. Almost done. Like I put some of my clothes there, and then there's some snacks because I'm a vegetarian. I'm carrying some oats and these kind of things which are easily cookable with just milk or hot water, and have some accessories and all that there. But yeah, pretty much done. Just need to recheck once. Actually wanted to vlog a little bit and show you guys while I was packing, but then I had so many things to do that I packed late last night, like early morning this morning, and I didn't get time. But yeah, I did shoot some. I think I'll try and post some reels and shorts. So yeah, I have few more things to get done today. Actually, the trip that we planned was much earlier. We were supposed to go sometime last year, but it didn't just work out because of work and other um, deadlines, and because of work and some other things. But anyway, now is the time, and yeah, I'll just go get more things done, and I'll see you in a bit.